Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. Guys, in today's video I'm going to cover one basic question which is integer based, because already different kind of methods. Why I'm calling it basic? Because different kind of methods I have already covered in the previous question. So in this part 22 I will take a very simple question. If interviewer will ask you by providing a list of integer array or integer list, that you have to find out the square of all unique numbers. Okay, so what you have to do, actually you will be providing one list of array which would be integer type. So actually previous many videos I have covered with the string related question, so that's why I thought to cover some important basic and advanced integer based question. So what you have to do, you have to find out the square of unique numbers. So in this video we will see that how can we cover this video, how can we cover this code, write this code. So please be with the video till last, and before going to the last, my request is to just pause the screen, pause the video, and write the code yourself, and then match the code. Comment it if you have already created. Otherwise, see the video till last. Definitely you will be going to learn something. So guys, our question is, we have one list and we have to find out the square of all elements. Before moving to the our ID, guys, I am just telling you that I have created the playlist in English and Hindi languages both, as well as I have created the some important concept of the Java in the Java shorts. Currently that is in Hindi. Slowly I will cover those concepts also in English, so that the students or the aspirants who are preparing, who are comfortable with English, they can refer this shorts also. So let's move to our Eclipse ID, and we will see that how can we write that code. So guys, here already I have created one class which is square of numbers. Okay, so what I have to do, first I have to create the list. What I am going to do, I am creating one list which is integer type list. Just I am providing the name as integer list. As list I am calling here, and I am providing some number which would be duplicate, like 2, 8, 11, 13, again 8, again 11, then 15, 26, right, then 2, then some unique numbers 31, 56. So this is our list, guys. Okay, so this is very basic question I am covering here. Just you create the list, stop the video, pause the video, and write yourself, then see that how can we do it. And think, guys, how can we do this? Our task is to remove the duplicates. So what we have to do, first of all we have to remove the duplicates by calling some method. First we need to create the stream, then we will call some method, and after that we will perform the operation. Okay, then how can we do this, we'll see here. Okay, let's come here. So first I am creating list dot stream. Now stream will be created. After that, then in the stream we have district method. Okay, district will do what, we'll see that what district is doing. By for each I am printing it, system.out.println, or I can do like this also, println. Save it, right click, run as Java application. Because when you will give the interview, they will ask you to explain the code also. So that's why my request is to you that please watch it carefully. See, 2, 8, 11, 13, 15, 26, 36, 31 and 56 means duplicate element has not been printed. So now by this method, this district method, what we have done, we have removed all the duplicate numbers. Okay, after that what we have to do, one by one we have to go. Okay, in the previous videos I think map has not been used too much, map method. So what I will do it here, map. and inside the map, what I will do, I will use the lambda expression and I will print out the square. Means it will take one number one by one, it will take, and whatever the number it will take, through the lambda expression it will multiply it. Okay, it will multiply it, and after the multiply means 2 into 2, 8 into 8, like that, 11 into 11, 13 into 13. So once it will be done, then what we have to do, either you can print it directly like I have printed as before, dot for each, or you can store it also, system dot out and here println. And this is very easy question, guys. Save as and run as Java application. Now you can see that the element would be printed but after the square. Okay, your task, your assignment is that you have to print it like this, 2 into 2 equal to 8, like this you have to print. Okay, this you have to do. And one another assignment, that you have to store it, write and comment it, because this is one liner, you can definitely comment it, right? Write in your id and after that paste it to my comment, then I will see it. So what you have to do, you have to assign the result list in output variable. In output variable you have to assign is. That's it, guys. In this question already only this we are doing. Okay, see here, map I have used to perform operation on each element, right? That's why I have taken here the map. I hope, guys, you are clear with this, and whatever the assignment I have given, you are doing it yourself, you are commenting. If you will comment it, then I will see and I will assume that you are watching my videos properly and you are practicing properly. Okay, because if you will comment in my videos, then it will give me motivation. If you like my video, if you share my video, so please do hit the like button, share, comment. If you have any doubt, I will definitely cover in the next video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so that updated video you will get in the next whatever I will upload. Till then, we'll meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep coding.